Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Gabriella's outfit from High School Musical's Breaking Free scene on Dress to Impress. This was before she took off her coat, so let's get started with the video. I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on, which is just a hair. Grab this hair, and I colored everything brown, so keep that in mind. In no bangs, position the Y to 0.44, Z 0.52, rotate the X to 0.51, and scale this to 0.4. Grab this hair, no adjustments made. Grab this hair in bangs only and scale it up to 0.54. Grab these bangs in the same color in the first toggle, position the Y at 0.49 and rotate it the same. Grab this hair in default, position the Y at 0.46, Z 0.55, rotate the X to 0.51. I might rotate it just a little bit more to 0.53 actually. Then for the outfit, we're going to grab this top in this color. In this color, FFA43. Grab this suit in all white. Grab this coat in white as well, in matte. I don't know if I should keep the length or not. Let's look at the skirt. I had it short, but let's see. Use the L skirt if you don't have the VIP skirt. Turn off ribbons and color it this pattern. You can stop here, but if you have VIP, you can also add this skirt as well. But if you don't have it, that's totally fine. Then I'm just going to grab these shoes and color them black, and that's pretty much it. It's totally up to you if you want to toggle it long or not. I think the long toggle works best without the VIP skirt, but I like the short toggle with the skirt to add more depth to it. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also add a mic. I forgot about that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!